National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Okeechobee County in east central Florida, southwestern Indian River County in east central Florida, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Blue Cypress Lake, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Okeechobee and southwestern Indian River counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.